Today we're at the Motorcycle Life Birmingham at the NEC, and I'm with my two friends, Luke.
How you doing, guys?
And Cam. And here we go.
Here we go indeed. Let's go.
Busy in it, Luke?
It's going to be a great day, mate. It's going to be a revving good time.
We can see the crowds are really big and getting bigger by the minute. Very busy for a Monday. Indeed. I think we're just going to head down to the Norton stand, Honda stand, and see what they've got on offer. Plenty of stores for shopping. Beautiful Indian Scout. Luke and Cam entering the bike raffle. Have you entered the raffle, Luke? Have you entered the raffle, Luke?
I've entered the raffle. I have.
Thank you. Cam spinning the wheel. Will he win? Now it's Luke's turn.
There you go, Cam.
No. Lovely tricked out Land Rover Defender with a TV screen in the back. Don't see that every day. Beautiful range of Can-Am trikes, rear wheel.
Lovely trikes.
Single, two at the front.
Suspension on them are
Very
absolutely
nice.
brilliant as well.
What do you think of these, Luke?
Oh, fantastic. Look nice, suspension's good on them. Yeah, they're nice.
Into your Star Trek, this is the Riker Sport model. Cam trying it on for size. Being slightly disabled, this would be perfect for him. You could rip around the roads on this really quick. The Can-Am then, Cam?
Yeah, so with having the wider front, you know, you're not oversteering around corners, and you're not bumping up the back wheels on a curve as you would on a normal trike. So yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, good, good.
It's quite a good bit of kit.
I could see you on it flying around the roads in the summer.
Yes, it definitely one to look at. Definitely.
And Maverick. Luke trying it on for size there. Ideal for rough terrain, or if you've got a farm or something like that. What do you think of this one, Luke?
It's nice. Seems basic inside, but you don't want anything over the top, do you?
No, nice. You've got the Norton Commando 1970s twin. Beautiful machine. Surprising how busy the Honda stand is. I think we'll leave that for a bit later. Very busy for a Monday. The Suzuki stand. Cam's favourite. Suzuki drag bike.
All these electric bikes, absolutely zero sound.
Cute little motor. You can go whizzing round on your electric motorbikes free of charge. Me personally, I like the sound of an engine throbbing away, but there we go. Absolutely stunning Harley Davidsons. Always reminds me of the Terminator when I see one of these Harley Davidsons. WLC 750 Harley Davidson, worth a lot of money. A great stand today at Harley. The Honda CBR Triple R. Seriously fast machine. Sitting on a beautiful Indian Scout. What do you think of that one, Luke?
It's a little details that go into it.
Hat signed by Glenn Irwin, Superbike champion. Here it is, the signed hat by Glenn Irwin. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, good. Yeah, really happy. It's nice to see somebody in, you know.
There he is.
You know.
Nice. Free gifts galore.
Thanks, sir.
A torch and a headset, I believe. Was this the one free with the ticket?
Yeah.
Free goodies on the way, Cam.
Thank you very much, sir.
Can't knock it.
Thank you.
And it's a good brand as well.
Have you
Mental
got a
health
black
for
one with the
motorcyclists.
grey rods in like that? An extra large? Yeah.
A worthy cause, if I must say.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
I'm in the queue. It's the black and chrome Royal Enfield Classic 650.
It's lovely that.
This is the black and chrome one.
Yeah, I prefer that over that. What are we thinking, Scott?
It's a Royal Enfield Classic 650 based on the 1948 Royal Enfield 500 Twin, which ran for 10 years. 47 brake horsepower, 240 kilograms. Very similar to the 350. It feels taller. I quite like the feel of it. Chrome switchgear compared to the classic 350, which is very nice indeed. I'll be definitely getting one of these. Customer service is fantastic. Royal Enfield. There's a few people that don't like them, but me, I love them all the way. I think they make a great machine for the price. I really do. And the customer service is, like I said, fantastic. Do you think it suits me? Classic 650 in teal. Beautiful machine. Poster bike.
Fundamentals that. Can you imagine what we don't know quite 2 years ago? Oh, let me make that. Come on, I can do better than that. How great is that? Oh, the carnage, the pressure on Aaron and Josh, our first two runners. So we might have a couple more if you are good boys and girls out there.
So what are you having done now, Luke?
We're going to have the caricature done now by Entire Cover, which are an insurance company, and they're doing everything free of charge. We've also got a Isle of Man TT simulator by Sega. Yeah, great place. Also got the Yamaha YZF-R7 2023.
Very nice. The beautiful CCM, British made. A beautiful Swan motorcycle. I would imagine it uses Swan filters for performance. There we have it, guys. A great day out at Motorcycle Live in Birmingham at the NEC. If you like our videos, then give us a like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you, guys. Bye.